Hi everyone, welcome back to my page again. So let's make delicious OFE-AKWU together. So in there I added powder. What is it called? So I poured in my palm fruit juice. That is OFE-AKWU now, akwa baraba. The miracle now, you should understand. So and I turned it and I'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook. Guys, please support your girl by subscribing. Okay, please, and click like. So after boiling for a few minutes, I added onion and crayfish. Be generous in that. So the next thing I added was dry fish as well. I don't know what to be cooking your OFE-AKWU with without the dry fish. It's very, very important and it plays a bigger role. So the next thing I'll be adding is pepper. The next thing I added, sorry, this voice note of a thing. Sometimes I forget that I'm making the voice note in past tense. So guys, bear with me, okay? I'm still new on this. So I'm going to pound my ogiri. You can see I added 3. My husband doesn't like it that much, so I just add few, so the taste doesn't cover up everything. So I'll go ahead now and add the ogiri into the pot. Please, there are so many other methods to make OFE-AKWU. Please, this is one of my own methods. Okay, feel free to use a method of your choice. Pick one or. So I'm back again. You can see how this thing is boiling. You can see in fukona so poto nite. Yeah, oh na go kwesịrị dị mgbe ị na-esi OFE-AKWU ụnọ sụrụ like this. Ọ gaghị asụpụta mmanụ. So you allow it to boil very well. Okay, so this is my scotch bonnet pepper and a little bit of crayfish again. So I blended it together. See, once you see this oil start to pop up, that means OFE-AKWU, that is the akwu is getting ready. It has boiled enough. So so the next thing is I'll go ahead and cut my scent leaf. So this scent leaf is frozen one from my freezer. So I'll go ahead and cut it into pieces, okay? As you can see, he's almost done. So I went ahead to add the scent leaf. So after that, I'll just turn the soup. Is this soup or stew? I don't know. Some people use it to eat eba. Why some people use it to eat rice? Me, I use it for both eba and rice. And guys, this is the final stage of it. So I had to put off the heat here, and you can see how the oil is stirred up. That means it was properly cooked. So bye guys, see you next time.